Good morning guys. In this whole video we will solve exercise 7.2. This is a chapter 7 coordinate geometry of class 10th mathematics. I hope you are doing well. So let's start. First question says that find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of 2 points -1 and 7, 4 -3 in the ratio 2:3. First we should draw a line. This is a line. Now here the first point is given that -1/7 and second point is given that 4 -3. Now find the point. Let's assume another point that is P, which is x comma y. Now the ratio between this is 2:3. Clear? Now with the help of formula we can find out this. So here we will solve. Now what is the value of x? That is very simple. Because we have given a trick. Trick is that if you take 2 then you should multiply 4. If you take 3 you should multiply by -1. Now here write 2. First here 2 plus 3. Then 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1. Then 2 4 is 8 minus 3 upon 5. That means 5 upon 5. That means 1. Here it is the value of x. Now for y, we can find out the value in the same manner. Here we use 2 into 4 first coordinate, 3 into first coordinate. Now for second coordinate, for y we should use second coordinate of each point. 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7. Now 2 plus 3, then 3 2 is 6 minus 6 plus 7 3 is 21, 2 3 5. That is 15 upon 5. That is 3. 5 3 is 15. Now we got the value xy. That is 1, 3. This is the point. Now come at the next question. Okay, this question says that find the coordinate of the point of trisection of a line segment joining these points. That means we should divide a line in 3 parts, equal segment. First we should draw a line. this is a line, and here the point is given that first point is 4 minus 1, second point is 2 minus 2 minus 3. Clear? Now we should divide in 3 parts in equal range. Suppose this is a P, this is a Q point, and here we will take 2 point extra. This is A and this is B. Suppose all are in equal part. All are in equal part. So this is 1, then this is 1, this is 1. First, we will take, for A, we will use this type wedge. We will use this rule. From this point to from this point. Then ratio will be in different form. Here ratio will be 1:2, because here we will add 2, 1 and 1, 2. Clear? In the same manner, for this 2:1. Clear? If we talk about for second, point, this will be for ratio for PB, this will be 1, this will be 2, and for BQ it will be 1. That is the way and trick to recognize the ratio. Now in this case we are able to, now in this figure we are able to find out the coordinate of A and B. Clear? First we should define where is the coordinate. Suppose this is x1 and y1, this is x2 and y2. Clear? Now for x1 y1 we will use formula, section formula. Clear? Now for section formula, so for A, this is A, then this is 1, so we multiply 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 plus 2 into 4, then 1 plus 2, comma. In the same manner we will write for y coordinate. Here 1 plus 2, then 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Clear? We are using the formula to find out the coordinate. Now after solving this, minus 2, 4 to 8, 8 minus 2, it will be 6 by 3, and minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. it will be 3 2 just 6, then it will be 2 and minus 5 by 3. So we have sort out the problem for a coordinate. Now for b coordinate, what we will do in the same manner, we will try to find out the b, that is x2 and y2. Then now first we should write 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. Then with the help of 1, no, this is 2 plus 1. Clear? 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Now we will use this 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4. 2 is 2 minus 2, 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Minus 4 plus 4, it will be 0. And 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 3 just 6, minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 is to 3. Clear? So it will be 0 comma minus 7 by 3. That is the coordinate. That is the coordinate of B. Clear? Now we will move on question number 3. This is question number 3. Now in this question, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at distance of 1 meter each. Clear? 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. As shown in figure, Niharika runs 1/4 distance of AD. Okay. And there is 100, then 1/4 distance. That is 25. Clear? Now, second line on the second line, and post a green flag. Clear? Now this is the, suppose here the point is 2 comma 25. Now Keith runs 1/5 of the distance. 1/5 means 16.5, 20. That means here 20. And now on the 8th line, so it will be 8 comma 20. What is the distance between both the flags? We will find the distance between these two. Clear? These two. Now find if Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags, where should she post it? Now suppose between this in same ratio, That means 1 is to 1. Clear? We will use. Now, how we can find out the distance first? This is A, this is AB, this is point C. So AB will be 8 minus 2 square plus 20 minus 25 square. Clear? Now 8 minus 2, that means 6 square, plus 20 minus 5 square, now this will be 36, this will be 25, and now this will be 61. Clear? Now find out the value of this is the distance of AB, both flags. Now for C, suppose this is X comma Y, then we will use 1:1 ratio because both are same. So first 2 plus 8, then second will be 25 plus 20, 1 plus 1. Now this is 10, this is 2, this is 45, this is 2. That means 5 comma 45 by 2, that means 22.5. That is the value of C between the both flags. Clear? Now come at the question number 4. Clear? Now fourth question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10, 6, -8 is divided by -1 by 6. Now we will find the ratio. Clear? There are two ways, but we will use a basic ways to find out these ratio. Now first we should draw a line. This is a line, and now point is given that first point is -3 and 10, second point is 6 minus 8, and third point is -1 and 6. This is M1, this is M2. Clear? Now we will find out this value. Now what will be -1? -1 will be in this way. This will be M1 and M2. Now M1, and here we will put the multiply by 6, then it will be -3. Now here we can suppose that M1 by M2 as K, but if you do not take this way, we can understand the value. Don't worry about this. -M1 minus M2 equal to 6M1 plus -3M2. Now M1 shifted it one side and M2 shifted as in other side. Now 6 M1, this is 6 M1 plus M1 equal to 3 M2 minus M2. We will shift it here and this will be shifted here. This will be 7 M1 and this will be 2 M2. Now the ratio will be M1 by M2. It will be 2:7. That means 2:7 is the ratio. That is the way to find out. Clear? Now this is question number 5. In this question, find the ratio in which the line segment is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Clear? Now we should draw a first line. This is a coordinate xy plane. Now if this line, suppose this is a line and this divides at this point is, suppose that this is P and here I don't know the value of x, but I have value of y, because this line divides at x axis, then here value of y will be 0, but I don't know value of x coordinate. Here point is given that first point is, that is A, which is 1 comma minus 5, and this is B, which is minus 4 comma 5. That is the given constant, given condition. Now find the value of x and then find the value of P. So I got the value of y coordinate, but I have no information about x. Then with the help of x, then we will able to find out the ratio between A and B if P divides this. So with the help of y coordinate, we can find out the value of m and n. Then we will use this theory to find out the value of x. That is the way. Now first we will use y coordinate, which is 0, 0. That means how here m plus n. Now here m will be minus 4 and n will be 1. So m plus n will be 0 and minus 4m will be plus n will be 0, then 4m will be n, m by n will be 1 by 4. That is the ratio of m by n. Clear? Now how can I find out the coordinate of P? So m by n we know. Now here we will put 1 and here we will put 4. Clear? Now with the help of we can find out the value of x. Now 1 into -4 plus 1 into -4. Now for y we will use here coordinate of y. Clear? So we should rough it. Sorry for that. Now here we will put value of m. For m we will write 5, or for n we will write -5. Clear? Then 5m minus n5 equal to 0. Then 5m equal to 5n. Then m by n will be 1:1. So this will be 1 and now this will be 1. So now then we will use to find out the value of x. And 1, this both are the same, so here 1 plus 1, and for 1 we will use 1. Now this will be -4 plus 1 upon 2, that means -3 by 2, that means 1:5. So this will be -1.5, that is the value of p coordinate, which divides 1:1 ratio. Now come at next question. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x, y. Don't worry, first we should make a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Now coordinate is given that this is 1, 2, this is a, this is b, 4, y, this is x, 6, this is c, this is a d, 3, 5. So how can I find out the value of x, y? Now for a common understanding we will tell you a rule, that is, if we find out the diagonal, then this property says that if both diagonals cut in middle point and divides in the same ratio, that is the condition. Clear? This is a y. Now then we will be able to find out because this is the middle point, this is the middle point. Clear? This is the middle point. Now how, if this is the middle point, then that means 3, 5 and 4, y is divided by 1:1. So if this is the value, if this is the value of a comma b, then what will be the value of a comma b? A will be, a comma b will be here, a comma b will be for this line, for line CD, 3 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. Clear? 3 plus 4, that means 7 by 2, and 5 plus y by 2, that is AB. Now in same manner for AC, AB will be 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 1 plus x by 2 and 8 by 2, that means 4, and both are the same point, both are the same point. Clear? Now if both are the same, then 7 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x. Now that means 7 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x, then 1 plus x by 2 equal to 7 by 2, then 1 plus x equal to 7, then x equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. Now come at the point for B, that is 5 plus y by 2 equal to 4. Clear? Then we can say that 5 plus y by 2 equal to 8 by 2, that means 5 plus y equal to 8 and y equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So y equal to 3, this is the, that means we are able to find out the value of x and y if we assume AB as the middle point. Clear? Now come at the question number 7. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is given that. Don't worry. First we should draw a triangle. Clear? We have drawn a triangle. Now there is a diameter. Suppose this is a diameter point. Now this is given that this is A and this is B. This is a center. Center is given that, suppose this is C, and 2 comma minus 3 is given that. Now we don't know information about A, so let's assume this is x comma y and B is given that 1 comma 4. Now we know this is the radius and C will be the middle point. Okay, if C will be middle point, then it ratio will be AC and CB will be 1:1. So this is very simple. Then we can find out the value. 2 will be sum of x plus 1 first coordinate x plus 1, and here 2 will be. Then we can find out the value of 2 to the 4. This is 2 to the 4 and x plus 1. Now x equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So I got the value of 3. Clear? I got the value of x equal to 3. Now for second point, minus 3 equal to sum of y coordinate, y plus 4 equal upon 2. This will be minus 3 to the 6 minus 6 y plus 4, and y will be minus 6 minus 4, that will be minus 10. So I got the information about x and y. This is the coordinate of A. Value is given that 3 comma minus 10. That is our result. Now move on question number 8. This is question number 8. Now if A and B are minus 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Don't worry, first we should draw a line. This is a line. Now we should define a point. Here A is given that, here B is given that. Now minus 2, this is 2 comma minus 4. Okay, 2 comma minus 4, and P is the point. Suppose this is P, this is A, this is B. P is given that. I have no information about P. Clear? So let's assume value of what will be the now we assume this is x comma y. Clear? Now another information is given that AP by AB. AP is given by 3 and AB is total AP by AB is 3. Here we can find out AP by AB is 3 by 7. This is whole length, this is a part of the length AP. This is a whole length. Okay, if we try to find out AP upon PB, then AP is 3 but PB is 7 minus 3, that is 4. 3 by 4. So we should write here 4. Now for x and y we will use the section formula. Here first we should now 3 plus 4 and 3 plus 4. Now 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Now for 3, 2 here, for 4, minus 2 here. Add it. For 3 second coordinate, that means 4, and for 4 second coordinate, that means minus 2. Add it. Then we will get the value 3 to the 6 and 4 2 ja 8, 6 minus 8 upon 7, 4 3 ja 12, 12, 4 2 ja 8, 8 by 7, that will be minus 2 by 7, 4 by 7, that will be the coordinate of P. Clear? Any mistake? Here 2 comma minus 4 is given that, so first we for y that will be minus 4 as well. If this, then this will be minus, and here will be 20, minus 20 by 7. Clear? So that is the answer. Now come move on, question number 9. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. So don't worry, first we should draw a line. Clear? Now how we divide it, that is the most important points. This is A and this is B, and coordinate of A is given that is minus 2 comma 2, and coordinate of B is given that is 2 comma 8. Clear? Now we will divide in 4 equal parts. So first we should divide in middle, then middle of other point. Suppose if we divide into equal parts, and then here we will take P, and after this will be Q, and this will be R. Every is equal to 1:1:1, because we have divided in 4 equal parts. So if first we should find out the value of P. For P, this will be 2 by 2. Now if we try to find out the value of P, that will be, this will be 2 and this will be 2. Then suppose this is the value of P is given, we got the value of P here. We don't have information about this, but for X it will be, first ratio will be added, 2 plus 2, then we should multiply with 2, 2 into, both are the same things, so first 2 into minus 2 and 2 into 2 comma 2 plus 2, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 8. Clear? Now for simplicity we can take common for this, but don't worry, 2 minus 4, and 2 2 ja 4, this is 4, 2 2 ja 4, 8 2 ja 16, 2 2 4, this will be 0, and this will be 4 4 ja 16, 4 4, that means 5. We got the value of P, which is 0 comma 5. Clear? Now for Q, ratio will be 1:1. For Q, both ratio is the same, means 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Now then minus 2 and plus 0, minus 2 plus 0 and 2 plus 5. This will be minus 2 by 2, that means minus 1, and 5 to 7, 7 by 2. Clear? I got the value of Q, that is minus 1 and 7 by 2. Clear? Now for R, for R, for R we can find out in same manner. R will be 1:1, that means middle point, that means here we will put 2, here we will put 2, then add it 0 plus 2 and 5 plus 8. So 2 by 2, that will be 1, and 5 plus 8, that will be 13 by 2. Clear? This is the value of P, Q and R. Now come at question number 10. Here in this question we have information about find the area of rhombus. Don't worry, if vertices are given, that taken in order. So first we should make a rhombus. Clear? Both are the same length, should be same length. Clear? Now vertices is given that in the order A, B, C and D. A is given that 3, 0, B is given that 4, 5 and C is given that -1, 4 and D is given that -2, -1. Now area of rhombus is product of its diagonal. Clear? So first we should find out the distance between this. That means if we are able to find out the distance BD and distance AC, then we will be able to find out the area of rhombus. So what is the distance AC? Clear? First find out the distance AC. This will be 3 minus 1, that means 3 plus 1 square. 0 minus 4, that means 0 minus 4 square. This will be 3 plus 1, that means 4, 4, 4 just 16 and it will be 16, 2, 16, that means 4 root 2. Clear? Now for value of BD, -2 minus 4 square plus -1 minus 5 square, that means 4 to 6 minus 6 square minus 6 square, that will be 2 times 6 square that 6 root 2. Clear? Now for area of rhombus, what will be area of rhombus? That is very simple. Area of rhombus it will be 1 by 2 AC into BD. Then 1 by 2 AC is given that 4 root 2 and BD is also 6 root 2. Then 2 to the 4, here 2 into 4 into 6 into root 2 into root 2. Then 4 to the 8, 8 6 ja 48 and root 2 into root 2, that will be 2. Then we can say that it is 96. So area of rhombus is any mistake 2 to the 4, we got value 2, then here no 4, 2 root 2 and 6 root 2, that will be now answer will be 2 this 2 to the 4, 2 root 2 and 6 root 2, then product will be 2 6 ja 12, 12 into 2, that means 24 square units. Clear? That is the answer. Now I hope you are enjoying this exercise. So in next video we will meet you with a new chapter. So thank you guys.